Hello and good afternoon. My name is Robin and this is my channel. And again, excitement is in the air. I have Pinkboxdelivery, one of my favorite lifestyle boxes. I have been getting this for probably close to a year now. And when I open it, you will see why. This box, I want to say, is like $39.99 and then they charge shipping, so it comes out to about $45–46, but definitely well worth it. I will leave all the information, the link below. You can get this off of Cratejoy. I'm sure a lot of you have heard about Cratejoy. They've got all the subscription boxes, and I even think now they have the promotion for the Christmas boxes where you can get 20–30% off of if you order like 3 months or more. And this is usually when I renew a lot of my subscriptions. So again, all that information will be below. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you'd be so kind as to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. That really helps me. And if you're returning, you guys just know how much I appreciate you. I've met so many sweet people on YouTube and I follow them, and that's where I get a lot of my box ideas. So let's get into the box. They send you a really nice sheet of everything that's in the box. And of course, I can never remember if they put retail prices on here or not. So I don't think they do, but everything is well worth the value. And they wrap it in such beautiful paper. I'm going to show you that, and it's got a big thank you on there. So if you're looking for Christmas ideas, this could be one of them. They have never had an issue with shipping. You pay for it, they tell you that they're going to ship it by the beginning of the month, and they do. So I have never had any shipping issues with them. And the variety of products can fit almost anybody's needs. And I have, out of this box, I have given gifts. You know, I've split up the box and given gifts to people. So again, it makes a nice holiday gift. And occasionally they will include my favorite wrapping paper, which is my Cactus wrapping paper. And of course, I save this because I love Cactus. So the first thing that they wrapped in my favorite paper is Nanako Natural, and it is an eyeshadow, and it tells you, for people like me, how to apply it. Usually their boxes have a theme. So let me check it out. And this is Welcome Fall. We've been anxiously awaiting your arrival. And this box is our Pretty and Posh box. It is a bushel of fun for those who like to head into fall prepared for whatever the season and holidays bring. And so they always let you know like what the next box is going to be, and then again this box has a theme to it. So these are very pretty natural colors. And also in our bushel of fun is a Slumber Party. Ooh, Sugar Rush Tart. We got Squeezy Clean and Cake Butter. So let's read about them. Open them just in case I gift them, but I guess it's a skincare duo, just to a lotion. So that's what these are. And then, oh, we have, a spoon that says thankful, since we are in the fall season. So that is really nice. And we have, they always include a piece of jewelry, a usually nice piece of jewelry. And this is, I'm not really gonna take it out. It isn't something that I would wear, but it's pearls. It's 3 pearls. It's very, very pretty. So this will be gifted. So that is very pretty. And of course they did such great packaging, I can't get it back in. So yeah, they usually include a piece of jewelry. Then they have a thankful sticker on here. Let's see if I can open it. I just love opening this box. But they put everything has a theme. Oh. And then they have a little dish. So I don't know if it's like a little relish tray, a little butter dish, but you can use it for almost anything. And I usually, I get their boxes and I put everything away, and then like this year I'm like, oh, let me get out all my decorations, and it's usually something that I received from them. So loving that. And then I'm trying not to make a mess. Like we have a couple things in here. Kitchens are made for gathering. Glass counter saver. So I don't know if it's a cutting board. Features shatter resistant tempered glass. I'll have to look. Isn't that cute? And it's got the little feet on there, so you can use that for decoration, and you can cut like lemons or limes or whatever. And I will check on that. And then we have a decorative, you can use it as a dish towel. Isn't that cute? And then we have, what is this? Santa Barbara. Oh, these are organic dishcloths. Oh, what do? Add water and they grow? So I have to check. This is crazy. So we got the pearls. Our surprise item is something we think every kitchen needs. A Swedish dishcloth. Aside from the fact that these square, spongy feeling cloths clean unbelievably well, they are also eco-friendly and replace 17 rolls of paper towels. You can throw them in the washer just like regular cloths and use them over and over again. They are made from organic cotton. Okay, I am so trying these tonight. That, I've never heard of these. That is great. And then you have the, let's see. We have the Smoky Eye Palette. I'm looking for the, we had the dish towel that you can hang on your stove or your refrigerator. And that was a butter dish that I opened. And one of our favorite pieces is the multi-purpose chalk it up cutting or charcuterie board. It will make a lovely addition to any kitchen and can also be used to place hot casseroles on up to 400 degrees. We love the saying, kitchens are made for gatherings. So that was everything in the box. We have this beautiful butter dish, which I think is gorgeous. And then the Thankful spatula. And to go with your dress is the pearls. And your eyes, your smoky eye look. And your cream for the drying weather. And can't wait to try these. Let me know if you have heard of those before. And this, you know, you can just put on your stove, so when you're cooking, you can use that. And this is totally awesome that you can use this as a hot dish or as a cutting board. And that was everything that was in this box. It's a great box. And I think, was this the October? This was the November. Let's see. So here what's coming. The November box is the Ho 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 and Away We Go theme. Since this is our Christmas box, we don't want to give away too many surprises, but we can tell you that it will have a gorgeous ornament with your initial on it. Fun Christmas decor items for your home, cozy gifts for you, and jewelry to put you in the spirit. We love this box and hope you do too. So again, a great gift. So if you're looking for something in this price range, I suggest you order it now, and I'll leave the link below. I don't make anything off of this, but I always thought that this made a great gift. And it comes nicely packaged. And the prices are not on here, so they're not going to know what you spend or what the retail is. So leave comments below. Let me know what your favorite item is. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.